Everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making fish roll. Yes, so over here is my flour. I have 3 cups of flour here, sugar, 75 grams of sugar, 1 egg, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. This is my margarine. So 50 grams of margarine. Fish. So we are going to start by preparing our fish. 1 cup of water. So this is it, guys. I'm going to be using my manual grinder, to grind this fish. This is the one I've done previously. So I'm just going to be covering it. See, well blended. So I will check if there is any seed, if there's anyone that did not blend well, then I will just put it in back in my blender. Yeah, done. So guys, in here I have my fresh pepper, scotch bonnet pepper in them, and some onions. So I'm going to be just crushing it with the same manual grinder or manual blender. So this is how it looks. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil to my pan. So I'm going to be adding 1 nutmeg to it. And I'm also going to be adding my all-purpose seasoning. So this is our blended fish, so I'm going to be adding it. So we are going to start combining our dry ingredients. So So I'm going to be adding my cinnamon into my sugar. I'm going to give it a nice stir. So over here is my flour. I'm going to be adding in my baking soda, salt, I'm going to be adding my butter to it. I'm adding my water little by bit. I've already finished mixing my dough and turned it into pieces I'm going to be kneading. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to be, doing our fish dough, rolling out our fish dough. So I'm going to be rolling some for you guys to see while I do the rest of the camera. I'm going to be, sealing this place down. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of my sealing over there just to seal it. And I can just so it's so guys, I'm going to be, frying our fish roll right away. So I've already tested the oil if it's ready. So it's ready. It's ready. If you have watched us to this extent, please subscribe, like, and also share. See you guys on my next video. Bye.